Hey everyone, it's Reed, and we're looking at my potatoes, and they're doing okay. I had some initial problems, and it was dealing with bugs, and I didn't catch it right away. So unfortunately in this section, I've lost some, as you can see. See back here where it's nice and brown, they're dead. But the others, we got the bugs taken care of. They're coming, they're growing, stuff like that. But I'm gonna replace these, and that's mainly the thing about this video. I'm gonna show you potatoes from little itty bitty seeds. We're gonna go in and look at the stuff I'm growing in little trays that I'm gonna put out here soon to replace some of the stuff I've lost. And then of course we're gonna expand over here because I'm gonna use the concrete, get that used up, and expand this out further to have even more potatoes. Now they may not end up as huge potatoes because we're already a bit off in the season. They're probably gonna end up, you know, as kind of small, you know, stew-sized potatoes, something like that. So we'll keep a bunch more and have them grow again for us next year. But I want to show you guys the seeds because it's really neat and things. Now I got to get more work here. The soil's not exactly right for the potatoes. I can see some of that's wrong. And I need to do some more chelation therapy, give them some more iron and other stuff like that. But we're winning. We're making progress on that. Well, let's go inside and show you the seeds and everything. Now we're inside looking at my little seed starters. And right here, you can see one of the little potato plants just up, okay? It's not very big. They come up little itty bitty plants. And then they start growing, start looking like this, getting bigger and things. And you can see how they actually look like potatoes as they get growing. But they're odd looking. It is very different starting potatoes from seed. Something very, very different. Now the seed actually, all right, it is very tiny. All right, let me put my fingers here. You can see my giant fingers next to these seeds. I tend to use tweezers to get these things in the planters. And it takes a bit of effort because they're hard to spot. Now, these seeds are hard to find. They're not the easiest thing to order, but I keep messing with them, and so getting potatoes that actually make seed fairly often, which is what these are, I'm going to actually have a set of potato seed I can use all the time. Now this is real good because I can put these, easily keep these. I don't have to worry about the rot, getting them overwintered and stuff like that sometimes happens. If I get a massive set of diseases or a bed gets infected or something like that, well, I could lose the entire crop of potatoes, but I still have seeds I can restart things from. That's a big plus. Now over here, let me show you the bigger ones, and this guy is going to go outside in just a little bit. Now, let me show you the bottom, if I can get him out of the thing. These guys make a lot of roots quickly, and so they want to get going. And I just watered these, so they're a little soggy. But that's what's kind of going on. And see, like here's another plant, and this guy's, you know, not very big yet. He's still making. And if we look him up, you see all the roots already. Yeah. Potatoes, they make big root systems to start making tubers. And that's what these guys want to do. Well, anyway, so that sort of concludes, you know, little tiny, tiny, tiny seeds. And then the various plants that come up from them. So like outside where I showed you where those potatoes are looking pretty bad, well, that's where these guys are going to go. Now I have a lot of these that don't have any. Like here's the other one, I got one. I'm going to add more seeds, that's what I'm doing now. The germination rate on these isn't as high as I want yet. We got some work to do there. I think the potatoes kind of like growing more from tubers than they do their seeds. So work in progress. Hopefully this was a little educational and interesting to you guys. This is Reed, out. Have a great day.